Cinderella, the story of Cinderella
Look
is
at
basically
Corby.
it's crazy because I
Corby
asked this
is
dude
deep,
today. He's like,
deep off
"Well,
into sleep, and this nigga snoring. Let me hear somebody say, I don't snore. My doggy snores. Look at Corby. He's deep, deep up into sleep with his little legs all up in the air. I'm trying to walk by him, but he gonna hear me and move. Damn, this cat here is sleeping like a mug. I be trying to turn the air conditioner off, y'all. It's dark. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. Let's go back and see what he doing. Hi, Corby. you was you was in a deep, deep sleep. You was in a deep, deep sleep. You can't say you don't snore, fella. I heard you. I heard you loudly and clear. How you doing, Corby? You was sleeping. You was sleeping. Weren't? Hey, calm down. Go back to bed. Go on, get back to sleep. I ain't gonna mess with you. I ain't gonna mess with you no more. Go ahead and go. Go back to sleep. You was in a deep, deep sleep. I wish I didn't turn the air conditioner on because you was getting it. You was snoring up and snoring. Hey, stop that. Leave my feet alone. Corby, stop. Get on your bed. Get on your pillow, whatever the thing is. Whew. You was sleeping, man. You was sleeping. You had your little legs and paws all up. I wish I put more light on you where people could see them little legs and paws. You was in a deep sleep. Yes, you. Yes, you snore. You was snoring. You sound like a little old man sitting back in the recliner. Ah, yeah, that's how you sound. Don't throw your head down. Get him, boy. You hear a sound, don't you? You hear a sound, and that was you. That's how you. That's how you sound. You was snoring, and you had your little paws up. You had your little paws up in there. Don't look at me. Can I get down on the floor with you? I gotta mess with you. I ain't never seen no shit like that. Get down with me, Corey. Quit, Corey. Hey, man, quit. Quit, baby. Quit. Get off me. Quit, Corey. Corey, calm down. Stop. Stop. You better stop. Calm down. You hear me? Calm down. It's okay. You was snoring. You was snoring, dog. Doggy, quit. Stop. 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 You can't get mad. I was just surprised that you were. You had your little four legs up in the air. I had to whisper when I was talking to the people. Corby, move back somewhere. You too close to my camera. Corby, stop. Stop, baby. I love you. I love the baby. Corby, you was snoring, dog. You had all four legs up. You had all four legs up, my nigga. You was out there. I'm sorry, Korby. You're the Korby. You the baby Korby. You Korby. You baby Korby. I love you, baby Korby. You're the baby Korby. Tell everybody bye. Because they going to see you worldwide with your legs up in there. Showing all your goods. Like my grandma said, you showing your goods. You was showing your goods, Korby. You was showing your goods. You were showing your goods to the world. They seen you. You had your little legs up. And you had all four legs up. You got caught. You got caught, Korby. Korby, you got caught, Korby. I'm sorry. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Tell them bye, baby. Tell them bye. Bye, Korby. Bye, people. Man, Korby was you was sleeping. Man, get off me, Korby. Get off me like that. You got caught. Don't be looking my camera. You got caught, Korby. You got caught snoring and with your little legs up. Uh-oh, you knocking my camera down. You got caught, Korby. Oh, my baby Korby. Oh, the poor baby Korby got caught. The poor baby Korby got caught. You got caught, didn't you, Korby? If that was somebody, if that was a human being, they would have been lying and say, "You a lie? I didn't sleep on my back with my legs up in the air, showing my goods." Oh my God, Korby! Look at Korby, my beautiful baby, Korby. Look at Korby. Aw, beautiful Korby. Anyway, y'all seen my doggy? If that was been a human being, they would have lied left and right. No, I don't snore. I don't snore. But he had the little legs up in the air like he was playing. No, I ain't gonna say playing dead. It looked like he was thinking about some damn movie or something. Like he looked at a beach movie and this nigga was laying on his back and he thought it was summertime or something. I don't know what the hell going on. All I know is you got caught, Korby. I'm finna show the world. I love you. Bye, Korby. Bye, big Korby. Oh, my best friend, Korby. Y'all see my best friend. His name is Korby. Bye. Bye. Don't mess with my hand, Korby. You're my best friend, Korby. Your name is Korby, and you got caught with your legs in the air. They're coming for you, Korby. Don't go to sleep. You better wake up. They're coming for you, Korby. I'll see y'all later. This has been a Korby introduction.